Good day, everybody, my students and my subscribers out there. In today's video, I'm just going to drop an update on all the accounts we were working on last month. We received payments on the 21st of this month. I'm sorry I didn't do a video earlier. I've quite been occupied. Okay, so let me log into this particular AdSense account that I dropped a video last on, and you can see on this account, you can see that the balance, we have received the payments. You can see the last payment has been received on this account. You can see it over here. We received the payment on the 21st of this month. Okay, so over here you can see it over here. You can see that the payment was received on the 21st of this month, being August, and you can see the amount that was received, though we had some little deductions. Nevertheless, you can see what we have done so far on this particular AdSense account. Let me reload this. Okay, so you can see the CPC on this account. You can see the CPC is high, and you can tell from the amount of traffic that is coming here. This is an arbitrage method mixed with a little bit of loading, and that loading is automation that's mixed on here. And you know, this is not the only account I worked on. There are many other accounts, but I'll just showing you guys this one for now. There are many other accounts I partnered on last month. That's many other accounts, and almost all of them got paid. Almost all of them got paid from this particular method I work with. Now, if you are interested in this method, you can check out the link in the description box. You're going to see a contact info to reach out to me. And if you have a good account that has organic traffic, you can bring in the account for partnership, but not this month, please. Not this month. From next month, I will give you guys the date from next month when I'm open for partnership. Currently, my hands are very filled. I'm not recollecting any other accounts again for partnership this month, please. Okay, so if you're interested in anything partnership, you can still write me and book a slot for next month or next 2 months, because there are a lot of accounts actually on my hands. Okay, so for more inquiries, you can actually check on the link on the description box. You can use that link to reach out to me and we'll talk. Okay, and if you need help, you can also reach out to me with the link. Stay safe and see you guys in the next video. Alright, subscribe for more of this content if you would love to learn more about AdSense loading.